Hey guys, also quick update on Rocket Companies or RKT. No clue what's going on, but this huge bounce up, like all the way towards 2368, is absolutely insane. We actually just killed the previous highs. I actually just saw it cross the previous high of, what was it, 2370? I actually saw it hit 2371 a couple minutes ago. So super excited to see what's going on. Last time we crossed around these levels, it only took us two it took us like 2 3 days to hit 30 bucks, which is absolutely insane. I'm already up as of right now $2,800. I did sell some calls for $27 yesterday for Friday. I might end up buying them back just because I think that rocket companies might actually have a solid chance of heading towards $27 and possibly staying there or even surpassing it. I think that's absolute insanity. The fact that rocket can skyrocket like this, and if it does skyrocket like this, I do think there's a huge chance that we surpass $31. Like we go. I think there's a huge chance right now if we stick this momentum that we go straight to $40, possibly 50 plus. I don't think the valuations will matter for RKT too much, and I can easily see this headed to maybe $50 within the next 2 weeks or so. Absolutely insane.